York from all over the world, and as I was coming back to London, I was thinking, oh man, I'm gonna really miss that. There were so many great people I met, and then coming to this event today, I'm just looking around, I'm like, actually, we have a bit of that here, don't we, in London? We have people from all different backgrounds celebrating one faith and all celebrating Ramadan, so it's going to be such an incredible month, inshallah. Already I'm thirsty, it's not even done yet. So I just want to thank the people that have organised this, and in fact we have someone from the Aziz Foundation, a trustee from the Aziz Foundation, Rahima, who is part of the Aziz Foundation that actually organised these lights and fund it as well. Rahima.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much for coming down. Thank you for the introduction. I'm Rahima Aziz, trustee of the Aziz Foundation. We are so proud to have been sponsoring and organising these lights for the past 2 years. Thank you so much for coming down. I know it's really cold. I won't keep you here too long. But has anyone been here before? Did anyone see the lights last year? Yeah? Oh, amazing. And is this anyone's first time seeing the lights? Okay, thank you. Well, thank you for coming down. Is anyone just here for the free chai that's going around? Because that's why I came. So thank you for bearing with us in the cold. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the new things we have going on. So you see the lights, they're going to turn on. It looks fantastic. But we also have some brand new additions this year. Right behind you, Leicester Square Garden, there is an interactive ground level installation. You can play with it. It says spread the light. That's our campaign this year. So go take photos, tag us on your social media, show us how you're spreading the light this Ramadan. The other really exciting addition we have is an iftar food trail. If there's one thing Muslims like more than food, it's food that comes with a discount. So if you go to our website, ramadanlightslondon.com, you're going to see that we are partnering up with 6 restaurants in the area, one of them which is right here and right there, and you can get freebies, discounts, and special iftar menus. So that is just, for me, the most exciting part. We had the Lord Mayor of Westminster very kindly lead a parade of school children around the Leicester Square Gardens area, holding these lovely lanterns, ending at that installation over there. So if you go have a play with it, send us your photos. We'd love to see them. Thank you so much for coming down. I'm sure you're sick of hearing from me, so I'm going to pass you on to the Mayor of this lovely city that I'm very proud to call home, Mayor of London, Sadiq Khan.
Can you hear me? If you can't see me, it's because I'm short and little. I'd like to begin with a greeting that is used by billions of people across the globe, that's been used by more than 1,000 years, and it's a greeting of peace. Assalamu alaikum! Ramadan Mubarak! So, here in London, in the greatest city in the world, we don't just stand strong against all forms of hatred, we shine bright as a beacon of hope. We don't simply tolerate difference, we respect, we embrace, and we celebrate difference. Yes, of course, we celebrate Christmas and Easter, but we also celebrate Vaisakhi, Diwali, Hanukkah, and of course, Ramadan. And these lights are so important. I want to thank the Heart of London Business Alliance. I want to thank the Aziz Foundation. These Ramadan lights were the first ever lights to be lit in any city in the Western world, and they were lit here in London. And you know, across the globe, we have all forms of hatred, anti-Semitism, Islamophobia, and other forms of hatred. These lights are the antidote to that hatred. I want you to be proud of these lights, whether you're a Muslim or a non-Muslim, because here in London, you can be proud to be a Londoner, proud to be English, proud to be British, and proud to be Muslim. And in this month of Ramadan, as we fast from dawn to dusk, I think we should remember those less fortunate, those in Gaza, those in Ukraine, those in Sudan, but also use this month of Ramadan to build bridges rather than walls. And so look, from my family to yours, have a fantastic month of Ramadan. but more